Good morning, children. Welcome to maths class. Today, maths is ratio applications. Today, we will learn about proportion. What is called proportion? What is called proportion? Two ratios are said to be in proportion when they are equal. Two ratios are said to be in proportion when they are equal. Two ratios proportional ఉన్నాయని చెప్తాం ఎప్పుడు when they are equal. A is to B equals to C is to D. These two ratios are called proportion because two ratios are equal. A is to B equal to C is to D. So these are proportion. The symbol we use for proportion is is to. This is called easy as. This is called easy as. If two ratios A is to B and C is to D are equal. If two ratios A is to B and C is to D are equal, we write A is to B equal to C is to D, or this can be written as A is to B is as C is to D. A is to B is as C is to D. We read this A is to B is proportionate to C is to D. This can also be read as A is to B is as C is to D. ప్రపోర్షనల్ లో ఉన్న ఈ రెండు నిష్పత్తిని ఎలా చదువుతాం? A is to B is as C is to D extremes. In the proportion A is to B is as C is to D, the first and fourth term, that means AD, the first and fourth term AD are known as extreme terms or extremes. In the proportion A is to B is as C is to D, the second and third terms, that means B and C, are known as middle terms or means. BC are called middle terms or means. In a proportion A is to B is as C is to D. In a proportion A is to B is as C is to D. A is to B can be written as A by B. C is to D can be written as C by D. Now cross multiplication. AD equal to BC. Here AD are first and fourth terms. These are called extremes. BC means second and third terms. These are mean terms, middle terms. So in proportion, the product of extremes is equal to the product of means. This is a proportional law. The product of extremes is equal to the product of middle terms or means. Now we can solve the problems by the proportion property. Example 1. Find the box to complete the proportion. Find the box. ఈ బాక్స్ వాల్యూ కనిపెట్టాలి. టు కంప్లీట్ ద ప్రపోర్షన్. ప్రపోర్షన్ లా ఉపయోగించి ఈ బాక్స్ని అంటే ఈ డాష్ని కంప్లీట్ చేయాలి. ఫస్ట్ సమ్ 2:5 equals to 6 dash some box. Here the box is say X. Here the box is X. By the proportional law, the product of extremes equals to the product of means. What are the extremes? 2 and X. What are the means? 5, 6. By the proportional law, the product of extremes equal to the product of means or middle terms. What are the extremes? 2 into X equal to the product of means. What are the means? 5 into 6. 5 into 6. Now we find out the X value. X equal to 5 into 6 divided by 2. 2 divides 6 in 3 times. 5 3s are 15. Here X equal to 15. ఈ X వాల్యూని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయడానికి సింపుల్ మెథడ్ కూడా ఉంది. వేరే సింపుల్ మెథడ్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ హియర్ ద ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 2. హియర్ ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్ ఈజ్ 6. 2 3s are 6. So second term multiply with 3. 5 3s are 15. Here X equal to 15. This is the another method. Second, 16 is to 20 is equal to box is to 35. We find out the box value. So this is the X. What is the proportional property? If two ratios are equal, these are in proportion. The product of extremes equal to the product of means. So 16 into 35 equals to 20 into X. Therefore X equal to 16 into 35 divides by 20. Here 5 cancel 35 7 times. 5 cancel the 20 in 4 times. Now 4 cancel in 1 times. 4 cancel 16 in 4 times. 4 7s are 28. Therefore X equal to 28. Again, these two ratios are equal, so these are in proportion. What is the proportional? The product of extremes equal to the product of means. So 16 into 35 equal to 20 into, here box is equal to X, so 20 into X. Now we find out the X value. So X equal to 16 into 35 by 20. 5 cancels 35 in 7 times. 5 cancel the 20 in 4 times. Again 4 cancel in 4 in 1 times. 4 cancel the 16 in 4 times. So X equal to 4 7s are 28. So for X value 28. Here again second method. 4 cancel the 16 in 4 times. 4 cancel the 20 in 5 times. Here second term is 5. 5 7s are 35. 5 7s are 35. So 4 7s are 28. Here X equal to 28. This is the another method. Exercise 2. Problem 1. Find the missing numbers in the following properties in the table given below. Find the missing numbers in the following properties in the table given below. ఈ కింద ఇచ్చిన టేబుల్లో మనకి ఈ ప్రాపర్టీస్ని ఉపయోగించి, ప్రపోర్షనల్ ప్రాపర్టీని ఉపయోగించి ఈ మిస్సింగ్ టర్మ్స్ని మనం చెప్పాలి. proportion. Proportional terms ఇవి 1:2 easy as 4:8, 5:6 easy as 75:90. ఇవి మనకు ప్రపోర్షనల్ ఉన్నాయి. వీటి మనం ఈ ఎంటీస్ పూర్తి చేయాలి. fill in the blanks. Product of extremes. What are the extremes? First and last term are called extremes. Middle terms are called means. Product of extremes. What are the extremes? Here in the ratio, the first and last terms are called extremes. Product of means. What are the means? Middle terms 2 and 4 calls means. First, product of extremes. What are the extremes? 1 into 8. 1 8 are 8. Product of means. What are the means? 2 and 4. 2 4s are 8. Here the product of extremes equals to product of means. So these are called in proportion. Second, the product of extremes. What are the extremes? 5 and 90. Product 5 into 90 equal to 450. The product of means 6 into 75. 6 5s are 30, 0, 3, 6 7s are 42, 42 plus 3, 45, 450. Here the product of extremes equal to the product of means. So these are in proportion. The product 3 and 32 equal to 96. The product of means. What are the product of means? 4 into 24. 4 24s are 96. Here these are equal. Next, fourth one. What are the extremes? 2 and 15. 2 15s are 30. Here given the product of extremes are given. Next, what is the dash? మనకి ఈ 5ని దేంతో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే 30 అవుతుంది. హియర్ దిస్ ఈస్ ద ఎక్స్ అనుకున్నాం అనుకోండి. 5 6 are 30. So here 6. 5 into 6 equal to 30. Last sum. Here extreme terms are not given. Last terms here x. The product of means 6 12s are 72. So 3 into dash equal to 72. Here extreme is also 72 because these are in proportion. So 3 into x equal 24. So x equal to 3 into x equal 72. The extremes, the product of extremes, 3 into x equal 72. So x equal to 72 by 3. 3 cancels 72 in 24 times. So here this is 24. Second sum in exercise 2. Second problem. Write true or false. Here 5 proportions are given in exercise 2. Second problem. Write true or false. Here 5 proportions are given because here easier symbol given. So these 2 ratios are proportional. These 2 ratios are subproportional. Now we find out is it true or false. ఇవి తప్ప రైట్ ఇప్పుడు మనం డిసైడ్ చేయాలి. మనకి ప్రపోర్షనల్ ఫార్ములా ఏంటి? ద ప్రోడక్ట్ ఆఫ్ extremes, the product of extremes, product of means. ఈ రెండు వాల్యూ కట్టాలి. రెండు ఈక్వల్ ఉంటే ట్రూ లేకపోతే ఫాల్స్. ఫస్ట్ సమ్ 15 into 40 600. 13 30s are 30 30s are 900. These are not equal, so it is false. First sum is false. Second, the product of extremes 22 into 6 equal to 132 means 11 into 12. 11 12s are 132. These are equals, so it is true. Second one is true. Third, the product of extremes 90 into 12 1080. The product of means 30 into 36. These are also 1080, 1080. So it is true. Fourth term, the product of extremes. What are the extremes? 32 and 12. 32, 12 are 12 2s are 24, 2, 12 3s are 36, 38, 384. The product of means 64 into 6. These are also 384. 6 4s are 24, 2, 6 6 are 36, 36 plus 2, 38, 384. This is also true. Or 32 divides 32 in 1 times, 32 divides 64 in 2 times. This is the 1:2. 6 divides 6 in 1 times, 6 divides 12 in 2 times. This is 1:2. So these are equal. So this is a proportion, true. Fifth term, the product of extremes. 25 is to 160. 25 zeros 0. 25 16s. 25 6 150. 15. 25 ones 25 plus 15 4000 means 1:40 40. These are not equal, so it is not true. This is a false. Third sum, Madhu buys 5 kgs of potatoes at the market. If the cost of 2 kgs is 36 rupees, how much will Madhu pay? Madhu buys 5 kgs of potatoes at the market. If the cost of 2 kgs is 36 rupees, how much will Madhu pay? Solution. Solution. What is the cost of 2 kgs potatoes? The cost of 2 kgs equal to 36 rupees. Cost of 1 kg. The cost of 1 kg equal to 36 by 2 equal to 18 rupees. The cost of 1 kg potato is equal to 18 rupees. What is the cost of 5 kgs? The cost of 5 kgs equal to 5 into 1 kg cost 18 rupees. 5 18s are 90 rupees. Madhu pay 90 rupees to the shopkeeper. The cost of 2 kgs 36 rupees. Cost of 1 kg 18 rupees. How many kgs potatoes Madhu bought? 5 kgs. So the cost of 5 kgs is equal to 5 into 18. 5 18 is 90 rupees. So Madhu pay the 90 rupees to the shopkeeper. Another method, proportion method lo ee problem solve cheyandi. The cost of 2 kgs equal to 36 rupees. The cost of 5 kgs is equal to how much? These terms can be written in the ratios. First, 2 kgs is to 5 kgs. 2 is to 5 kgs equal to 36 is to x rupees. These are equal. So these ratios are in the proportion. By the proportion, the product of extremes equal to the product of means. So 2 into x equal to 5 into 36. So x equal to 5 into 36 by 2. 2 divides 36 in 18 times. 5 18 are 90 rupees. So the cost of 5 kg potatoes equal to 90 rupees. The cost of 5 kg potatoes equal to 90 rupees. So Madhu pay equal to 90 rupees to the shopkeeper. Fourth problem. Physics tells us that weights of an object on the moon is proportional to its weight on earth. Suppose a 90 kg man weighs on 50 kg on the moon. What will a 60 kg woman weigh on the moon? Physics tells us that weights of an object on the moon is proportional to weights of an earth. Suppose 90 kg man moon మీద 15 kg ఉంటే 60 kg ఉన్న ఉమెన్ మూన్ మీద ఎంత బరువు ఉంటుందని చెప్పాలి మనం. Solution. These values can be written in the ratios. First, kgs. 90 kgs is to 60 kgs equal to 15 is to x. 19 is to 60 equal to 15 into x. 90 kg man, here now 60 kg woman. 90 kg man weight 15 kg on the moon. 60 kg woman, what is the weight? X kgs. These are proportional. Two ratios are equal, it is called proportional. What is the proportional? The product of extremes equal to the product of means. That means 90 into x equals to 60 is to 15. So x equal to 60 into 15 by 90. Here 0 0 cancel. 3 divides 6 in 2 times. 3 divides 9 in 3 times. 3 divides 15 in 5 times. So 2 5s are 10 kgs. So 60 kg woman weights on the moon. 60 kgs woman weight on the moon. Weight on the moon is 10 kgs. In exercise 2, the fifth problem. A disaster relief team consists of engineers and doctors in the ratio 2:5. ఓ రిలీఫ్ టీంలో డాక్టర్స్ని ఇంజనీర్స్ తీసుకున్నారు. ఇంజనీర్స్ డాక్టర్స్ in the ratio. What is the ratio? 2:5. So we can solve the problems. First problem. If there are 18 engineers, find the number of doctors. Given ratio 2:5. Here 2 are engineers, 5 are doctors. Solution 1. First solution. 2:5 equals to 18 is to x. Here 2 are engineers, here 18 are engineers, 5 are doctors. Now find out the doctors. These two ratios are equal. So these are in proportional. By the proportional law, the product of extremes equal to the product of means. That means 2 into x equal to 5 into 18. So x equal to 5 into 18 by 2. 2 divides 18 9 times. 5 9s are 45. So doctors equal to 45. If engineers are 18, so doctors are 45. Second problem. If there are 65 doctors, find the number of engineers. డాక్టర్స్ 65 మెంబర్స్ అయితే ఇంజనీర్స్ ఎంతమంది ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. బై ద గివెన్ రేషియో ఆఫ్ ఇంజనీర్స్ అండ్ డాక్టర్స్ 2:5 equal to, here 2 are engineers, 5 are doctors. Second sum, find the number of engineers. We don't know the engineers, so number of engineers is equal to x. Say x is to how many doctors? 65 members. Now these values are in the proportion. What is the proportional law? The product of extremes equal to the product of means. So 2 into 65 equals to 5 into x. Therefore x equal to 2 into 65 by 5. 5 divides 65 in 13 times. 2 13s are 26. Therefore engineers in the team, engineers equal to 26 members. Sixth sum in exercise 2, sixth problem. The ratio of two angles is 3:1. Find the first sum. Larger angle if the smaller is 180 degrees. Smaller degree 180 degrees అయితే larger value ఎంత? Second problem. Smaller angle if the larger angle is 63 degrees. Large angle value 63 అయితే small angle ఎంత అవుతుంది? Find out చేయాలి. Solution. Ratio of two angles. Ratio of two angles equal to 3:1. 3:1. Here the bigger value, larger angle equal to 3, small value is equal to 1. First problem. Find the larger angle if the small is 180. The values written in the ratio form. 3:1 equal to x is to 180 degrees. Here x is equal to larger angle, small angle given 180 degrees. These angles are proportional. So by the proportional law, the product of extreme equal to the product of means. So 3 into 180 equal to 1 into x. 3 8s are 540. 1x are x. So the larger value, larger angle equal to 540 degrees. Ratio of two angles 3:1. Larger angle, find the larger angle. So the larger angle equal to x. X is to 180 degrees. These two ratios are equal, so it is proportional. What is the proportional law? The product of extremes equal to the product of means. So 3 into 180 degrees is equal to 1 into x. So x equal to 540 degrees. Here x is equal to larger angle. So the larger angle equal to 540 degrees. Second sum. Given ratio 3:1 equal to, find the small angle. In the second problem, we find out the small angle. Here small angle equal to x. Larger value 63 degrees. So 3:1 equal to 63:x. These two ratios are equal. So these are proportional. What is the proportional? The product of extremes equal to the product of means. So 3 into x equals to 1 into 63. Now we find out the x value. So x equal to 1 into 63 divided by 3. 3 divides 63 in 21 times. So x equal to 21. Smaller angle is therefore smaller angle. X equal to 21 degrees. 21 degrees.